You can ask us any question, message us on Facebook, you can message us here. And I try to comment back on every platform daily, but I don't want you to have to sit there and wait for me. I want you to call or text 501-361-303. Our address is 7800 Alcoa Road, Benton, Arkansas. And obviously they're expanding Highway 5, so we're moving some vehicles around too for the body shop. We have Campbell Collision, rated best in town by all the readers and local people. It is James Buck's birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. James Buck. Happy birthday. Again, if you're just joining, tell us what you'd like to see more of. We love comments. Let us know what you want to see more of. We're doing TikTok, Instagram. We're still working on our Twitter because it disappeared. But anyways. And then obviously if we can improve, we're growing and expanding. We got 40 acres. I say 27.5, but someone said 40 acres here. We're expanding constantly, so let us know how we can improve. Okay? Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Benton, Arkansas. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Okay? I'm going to try to read everybody. Yay! Everybody's at. Okay. Esteban. Wilmer. Omen. Okay, hold on. I hope I pronounce your name. Walter. Okay, Walter Alvarez. Christian Hernandez. Marco Ortiz. Wilmer Flores. Aaron Franklin. Let's see. Jorge. Jonathan Costa. Kaluni. Tammy Sykes. Wilmer Flores. Hey, Dover, New Jersey. That is awesome. Thank you, Facebook, man. The East Coast guys. You guys rock. I drink a lot of Dunkin' Donuts, so I'm kind of a Boston girl, but that's awesome. I'm so glad you put that on there. Ricardo. Let's see. Quentin Howard. Thank you so much for joining us today. Yeah, the 2022 Stelvio, and I'm sorry, I am not an expert on that, so you really need to text us, 501-361-303. Quentin Howard, thank you so much for joining us today. We're so excited that we have them. I just am not trained on them. So you really want a certified sales representative. Ricardo Alvarado, awesome. Esteban, thank y'all so much for joining us today. And Dover, New Jersey, Boston. We love y'all. Thanks for watching. Again, we're Colorado. Oh, awesome. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Benton, Arkansas, just a little bit south of Little Rock, Central Arkansas. We're kind of tripping out that we have these awesome Alfa Romeos hit our lot today. But just a note, we do obviously have 24-hour transport in and out with cars. Obviously, Richard Smith, thanks for joining us today. And we're obviously really easy for us to deliver vehicles to you if you need so. A lot of people buy online. We try to make that flawlessly and effortlessly for you. So message us here on Facebook if you need something. We happen to be the #1 dealership in Arkansas, but we don't really want to brag, so, and I don't want to get fired either. So, no, I'm just kidding. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we hope you're having an amazing day. Let us know what you'd like to see more of. I'm trying to be very, very interactive with y'all, so you let us know if there's a specific vehicle. I typically have it on our used lot. This is just where we bring all of our new cars in. So we got 40 acres here. I don't know. I say 27.5, but someone else says 40. We have a lot of acreages here. And through those trees, I don't know if you can see them, we have over 200, some like 320 pre-owned vehicles. So we would love to help you out. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. My name is Desiree. We got Chrysler 300s brand new in. We have Grand Cherokees, and we have the new body style, by the way. We have the Grand Cherokee L. So if you'd like to see some of those, just message us. Comment below what you'd like to see more of. I promise you I will try my best to show you on our next live. We typically go live every day on Instagram. Not so much, but we are on TikTok. Check out our Instagram Reels, because we're really working hard on those. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. These are our Chrysler 300s, and over there too. Grand Cherokees, and we do have the new body style as well. So let us know what you'd like to see, and kind of give us just a moment to find out the details on those Alfa Romeos, and I will post them as well. Okay, we do have a 2022 1500 Laramie. If y'all will click on that little shopping bag, it will run through inventory. If you don't see something on there, literally the best option. If you want answers right now, please message us on Facebook or call or text 501-361-3803. Okay? 501-361-3803. And always here, okay, so I'm going to slow down so I can read. Where are y'all watching from? Okay. My finger's wet. Okay. Okay. Andre Jackson, thank you so much. Jason Gonzalez. Fareez. Helmer. Quentin Howard. Oh, Clearwater, Florida. I knew it. Okay, so awesome. I forgot to say that. So I look at our analytics every single day, and I noticed that Facebook, thank you so much for pushing us out, actually pushes us out to Florida, California, Texas, and for some reason the East Coast, which I love, like in the Boston area, and someone from New Jersey just commented. So how awesome is that, y'all? We're just in a very small town outside of Little Rock in the middle of the U.S. So we are delighted to have you on our show today. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you'd like to see. I'm gonna have to actually get off of here pretty soon and get back in there and start working on my reports. But Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we love you. Thank you so much for watching. Leave in the comments if we can do anything better. Leave in the comments if you want to see a different vehicle. We'll definitely try to pull that out and have a live. We can do that. But if you're truly shopping, call or text 501-361-3803. Okay, I'm going to do one more walk around up here by these Alfa Romeos, and then I gotta go and get to work. Okay, I love y'all. We love y'all. Thank you so much. We couldn't do anything without you. All of our clients are pretty amazing. Juan Kavanaugh, thank you so much for joining us today. Marcus Herrera, thank you so much for joining us today. And let's see, Samir, thanks so much for joining us today. We're out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Benton, Arkansas 7800 Alcoa Road. If you need car questions or pricing like that, 501-361-3803. Okay, message us here on Facebook. I try to respond to all the comments as soon as I can, but I just do it daily. We have these awesome Alfa Romeos that are just blowing my mind right now. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, if you're joining us, let us know where you're watching from. Esquivel Mendez Oliver, let us know where you're watching from today. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, 7800 Alcoa Road, for questions on availability. Okay, don't ask me. Message us on Facebook or call 501-361-3803. Okay, this is so cool. This is so awesome. Okay, Alfa Romeo. It's like 280 horsepower, 2-liter. So I guess it's a twin turbo engine. Sweet. What is that Ryan Reynolds movie where they have the Julia? I think that's just, it was like bright green. Y'all comment below. What is that movie? Now it's gonna bug me. Oh, it's really good. It's on Netflix. It's so cool. It's a bright greenish yellow Alfa Romeo Giulia. What is that movie? I'll figure it out. Anyways, it's a really good movie. Y'all should go watch it. Speaking of movies, I don't know if I can say this, but Top Gun is coming out. And we are gonna have the great opportunity of being at the Saline County Regional Airport on the 24th and 25th to support Wings Over Bryant. Now, this is a very small town, y'all. If you're watching in California or Florida, we're very, very small. For us to have anything where 50,000 people show up, that's big to us. So we're very excited. We can't wait. Okay, you're gonna have to give me a little bit of help on this. Abdurrahman M. Elmahad. Thanks for watching. I hope I pronounce your name somewhat acceptable. Brando Matt. Thank you so much for watching today. Again, we're out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We would love to see you at Wings Over Bryant. Check out our Instagram at Campbell Cars. And again, if you have any questions about vehicles, y'all, I'm gonna have to go in to my office. Hey, Nate Duran. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment below what you'd like to see more of. Or if you do have a car question or anything like that, please, please, please call or text 501-361-3803. Thank y'all so much. Here's the crazy part. Every time I do a live, I've always been nervous about this. The sun comes out. How awesome is that? You know? The sun comes out. It's a gorgeous, beautiful thing. Every time I go live, y'all. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, 501-361-3803. I hope y'all have a wonderful morning. Let us know in the comments if you want to see something special. If there's, let's say, Tundra. We have a 2022 1794 edition Tundra. So if there's something like that, we'd love to do a video for you, okay? Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. I gotta go inside. And then, okay, I'm gonna read some more. I won't go. Hey, hello. I hope I said your name right. It was very hard for me and to hold and pronounce your name. But anyways, I hope I said it right. Let us know where you're watching from today. We really appreciate each and every one of you. We think you're awesome. And thank you, Meta. Thank you, Facebook, so much for pushing our videos out everywhere. I read the analytics every single day. And like I said, I see Florida, California, Washington, a lot of Texas, all over Texas, y'all. Shout out to y'all. Hope you had a great Memorial Day. We love the interaction, so comment below where you're watching from. Let us know what you'd like to see more of. We will definitely, if you have serious car questions though, please message us on Facebook or call or text the 501-361-3803. 501-361-3803. All right, and comment below if y'all are big fans of Alfa Romeo, or if you know of that Netflix movie where there's a lime green Alfa Romeo in it. Comment below. What is that movie? It's got Ryan Reynolds in it, and I can't retrieve it from my brain. Okay, if you're joining us now, thank you so much. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, Arkansas. We'd love to know where you're watching from. Hey, Boss Man Ty, Doug Collins. Let's see. Call me Arman. Okay. Okay, Arman. Thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. We're located in a very small town outside of Little Rock. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We love it when we see people all over. We actually do have 24/7 delivery. As you can see, we had vehicles come in over the night. That 2500 came in. It's diesel, by the way. And then we have a whole row of brand new vehicles that just came in last night. Juan Kavanaugh, thank you so much for watching today. Let's see. St. Louis, sweet. Okay, pricing, boss man. So here we go. If you just joined us, this is what you do. You can either message us, or you have to call or text this number. That way you get set up with someone who can answer all your questions, okay? 6138. Okay, 38. It's hard to type. 3803. Okay. Or you can message us here on Facebook, okay? Campbell Chrysler, you can text that number as well. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, 7800 Alco Road. We actually do deliver all over the U.S. My pleasure. And I wish y'all, if you knew how many times I get asked how much. So I make videos daily on a lot of platforms, and I go live on TikTok as well. So I get asked probably, I would say 100 times how much. Totally valid question, totally understand that. However, my mental capacity, I cannot remember every single car I get in, so that's why I tag the vehicles. Once we get all these inbound vehicles in our search department, they'll show up online, and some of them are already online. As you can see, the Alfa Romeos, when I checked last night, were not yet, but they will. And then I'll tag the vehicle that we cover, if it's a pre-planned live, and then that way you can see the price right there. Totally get it. And there's a lot of different factors that go into obviously purchasing whatever you want to trade in, your terms and stuff like that. So there's a lot more that goes into just buying a vehicle, and we're totally aware of that. So if you would call or text the 501-361-3803 number, that way you get aligned with someone who can answer all those questions. Hey, Curtis Johnson. Hey, Santiago. Sorry, Birohi. Thank you so much for joining us today. Mauricio Castro and Drake. Drop. Again, Angel, thanks so much for joining us today. We're out here at Campbell Chrysler